Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Brotuned. We're just doing a 50-yard group test with my CZ457 LRP with the IBI Barrel and Lapua Super Long Range. 50 yards. See how it does. The stock barrel did pretty well. Can the IBI beat it? Let's find out. Got a bit of wind. Nothing to write home about though. Well, we're back. 50 yards with some Lapua Super Long Range. Stuff is killing it in the other barrel, and it did pretty damn good, the long range in the IBI. But will the IBI with Super Long Range beat the stock factory barrel? Let's find out today. So I have 40 rounds loaded up. My chronograph is zeroed out, and it's time to shoot. So we're gonna follow the same format as the last 3 videos. 10 shots for dialing, 2 5-shot groups. And then we'll shoot 4 or 5-shot groups around the targets on those diamonds and finish off with 110 at the end, 10-shot group. So, there. Aim point, top diamond, top of the middle diamond. And get the rifle settled in nicely. Kill the mosquito on my leg. And here we go. Cold bore shot. Perfect. There's our first 5 shots, and it's basically a 1-hole group. Probably about a .2 group. Group number 2, or cider group number 2. We are dealing with a good amount of wind here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's gusting pretty good. Okay, that could have been me though. I don't know what the velocity was. You guys do. But let's get to our first set of groups. Ditch the hat, wipe the sweat off my brow, and let's do this. Aiming at the bottom of the top left target. For 5, here we go. Solid group. Bottom, top right target for 5. Here we go. Dropped a little low. That wasn't me. Last shot always sticks. Alright, it's a little hot on the trigger there on that one shot. Good thing I was on target. Okay, so now we're going to do 2 5s in the next target. Slow down so I don't rush the shot like I did last time. Here we go. Top corner. That one opened up a little bit. Nothing to complain about still though. There's no real flyers with this stuff. That's the main thing. There's no flyers, like none. Okay, next group. What was that? Just want to say there's no flyers. Could quite possibly have been the wind. But that is our 4 or 5 shot groups. One of them looks kind of shitty, but not too bad. Now we'll do our last 10 shot group. The bottom left target, dead center. Here we go. Ah. I think that's it. Nope, that was it. Nope, still going. Jeez. That's it. So we lost one on that group too. Sweat in the eye kind of stings. But yeah, looking pretty solid for 22 bucks a box. Definitely gonna be shooting this a lot more. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. This barrel did pretty well. And if you haven't already, go down there and subscribe. We're kind of hit a plateau there. Everyone's watching but not subscribing. So please subscribe. Hit the like button there. It helps us out a lot with the algorithm. Since YouTube kind of shoves us under the rug, the gun channels. We got to keep growing, stick together. So like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all next week. Take care, guys.